What a major fall yesterday we saw in the market. If you see here, market does not just like that fall. It went down. First candle was green, went down, retested, and then it started its until it broke this 26 145 level. Okay, in the future, this is the futures market. It did not immediately, and it in fact almost broke the 196 above, right? So I was waiting for this confirmation. Of course, this I take it after the I look at this only I have mentioned after 10 o'clock. These levels because this if you will be to get the retailer stock. If you see here also first half an hour to 45 minutes the retailers get stuck. You see here 15 minutes, 50, half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, right? And then there was a move, a fake out, and then what happened? Market fell. Same you go back on this day also. First 15 minutes, red candle, green, red. So what happened here? After 10, fake out rally, and then big fall here. And then market was sitting at yesterday's low. I mean day before that particular day's low of 6, and then again a rally down and a little bit of a recovery. Go back, check 15 minutes, big red candle, then the recovery, right? This is the 5th Jan. And what happened? Down again. So I have this is my observation, and also this, here, of course, I got a sell, and the sell is still continues. The other thing I want to tell you is, see, it tested this trend line which I had done, right? And then a big movement down, and then there was a bit of support at 26,000 levels, sustained for some time, and then again came down, again went up, and then a major fall. Here, in fact, 84,400 from 60, it went to 250. We bought it around 80. Okay, we bought it around 80, and it went to 250. Imagine the kind of profit we have made. 84,900 put, where I think we bought it somewhere here. Once I got this confirmed return below this level, 150 itself I shorted. Not even I didn't wait for 145. 151 itself we shorted, and 24,900 put. Okay, 84,900 put, right? 800, I think 800 we were getting, 800 put from 180, it went to about 300 within about 10 minutes here. We exited, then when we saw it went up to 700 also, 600 to 700. So just one lot, you could have made all the money what you tried to trade in that 1 week. For today, what we are expecting, market may test this level, and there is a possibility that again, one, it may try to sustain, go up here level, or you see here, see this, I have drawn this chart out. I had explained this type of a structure when it happens, this will be the levels to be tested, right? If you go to the futures chart, also, I have not drawn it, but I'll just show you now. It is right now at this line chart. But and you look at the close range. We draw the. You should not look at the first. You should not look at the future chart, but I'm just showing. It is already broken this trend line support. So this is another level of support which is coming, but this is not valid because it's already broken in the spot. Futures will change because it's every month it changes. So we have to look at the spot. Let us look at Reliance. We captured, of course, this move in Reliance. First 15 minutes, sorry, the first trade, first 15 minutes or so, we bought a put and we captured a good profit in that. Now let us look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is standing at a good level. In fact, if Bank Nifty is now, of course, is moving down, it has not formed the kind of a pattern where Nifty has formed. So the possibility of Bank Nifty pulling the market after some time is quite huge. Okay, the possibility of Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty may now complete its rally because Bank Nifty has not fallen. May complete today, it may fall and then later start recovering and pulling Nifty up also. The other thing I want to bring your attention to is gold. Now, what do big investors have to do? Most of the stocks, well, not most, almost all stocks, you can see are in red, right? Hardly, Bajaj Finance is almost all stocks are down. TCS, of course, we got the put. We can have a look at the trades we bought. You can see it was always only puts. Of course, since I was, if you see here, DCS puts we bought, this zinc we bought, gas put we bought. All went more than the target we expected. And this was the 84,800 above 114. This was the first trade in the put side. Alright. So now, uh, what do we do in this type of a market? So the simple way is to keep yourself hedged. How do you hedge? One, you write calls, equal quantity of what you have in your spot. For example, you have Reliance 250 quantity, then you have to sell call top side so that you are hedged. Even if, of course, there is a slight risk, but one of it will definitely give profit. So this can be done every month. But again, your analysis also matters. Now that you know, if you're, of course, you're good in price action and all that, you can easily make profit out of it. So today, if you also look at Cipla, I would be looking at Cipla. Okay, I would be looking at HCL Tech for F&O. HCL Tech has done a bit of a recovery, so I will watch whether I can go for the puts or I can go for the longs. So I will make a separate video of how a long-term investment should trade. My view is that hedge yourself with silver ETFs or buying gold ETF. This is the way you can hedge your, because normally if market is down, gold will be upside. I mean, gold and silver will be upside. Okay. So thanks for joining in, and most probably I'm expecting a little dry day to a Friday itself. As I mentioned, a slight recovery in Nifty, but possibly fall in Bank Nifty. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you. God bless you all.